There is enough gold in the Klondike to change the economy of the entire United States. It belongs to us.
It was a part of history that I knew nothing about, especially that Irish part of history. I went on a big Google spree right after and found out that, yeah, 20% of people that were kind of in California, the gold rush, were Irish.
We play three characters that that didn't exist, but it could have kind of happened, you know what I mean? A lot of people from Ireland did go over there during the gold rush at the end of that century.
And not really knowing what they were getting into. They went from Ireland to like minus 50 degrees in the winter.
Yeah.
Like they would have been people who had possibly survived the famine in the mid-1800s, or their parents' generation would have survived the famine, and they're still in Ireland. They're looking for some way to make some money, make some kind of a living, and you find out that there's gold in North America. I mean, you're going to go over there.
Yeah.
We all grew up watching westerns on Saturday afternoons and stuff like that. So you've got a load of guys in the west of Ireland being able to pretend to be cowboys. So everybody was giving 110%. And yeah, it was just kind of a bit of a dream come true. Because when you're from Ireland, you don't really think, even when you become an actor, you don't think, oh, you know, I'll be doing westerns. And when you get a chance to do it, it's like, oh my God.
The Connolly's the Wild West, eh?
You could all talk about me right now and I would have no idea what you're saying. Please don't.
No, it's Amadon Kertu. Yeah. The my maga.
Does it mean some... What does it mean?
I really like your hat.
Ah, thanks. Yeah. Cheers. And I like your Amadon too.
You say the oldest brother is keeping the gold from Seamus.
You're to the quite Achnil to let trust.
People are talking about it being put forward for the best foreign language at the Oscars, which would be absolutely amazing. So when that sort of stuff gets mentioned, how do you feel? That must be pretty class, like.
It's exciting, in a way. There isn't a huge amount of Irish language films made this year.
I'm some Thorsten Frushen Tom.
And like, you just try and get a wider audience, you know?
I don't have any Gaeilge, but I still completely enjoyed it, and
Good.
I'm thoroughly excited to see the rest of the episode. So,
Nice one. Excellent.
Good job,
Us
guys.
too.
Yeah.